Alright everybody, so we're going to Food Bazaar here in Long Island City. So we're going to check this store location out. So with that said everyone, I'm going to check the phone one more time to make sure it's still recording. I got you guys set up as a body cam. So go check this store. Let's go check this location out. Welcome to the Food Bazaar, Long Island City location. Wow, look at that. Chocolate's pretty cheap here, friend. Lots of watermelon, vegetation. Why does nappies in the fridge? That's weird. I've never seen snap peas in the fridge. Seafood department. It's not as big as Bushwick location, but it is similar in format and size. Kind of. When it comes to the aisles, it's just a little different. So please do subscribe, like, and share, everyone. If you like this tour of the Food Bazaar in Long Island City, you're gonna love the Bushwick one. Oh, they do have the quarter. Nice, but it's so expensive. Oh, these are the best pastas. Yeah, I like these pasta. It's the best pasta. It's really good in my opinion.
Gregory.
Ooh, my type. Now this is my section right here. Ramen. Oh, I'm home.
These are a must try. Join us from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. every Saturday for this delicious experience.
A taste of
and
ramen.
discover why they are the
They're giving
best
out taste of
in town.
ramen. It's not.
Miss out on this flavorful treat.
Love me some ramen. Ice cream, beers are down here. Vegetables. I wish I had a microwave in the storage. That would be awesome. But this is the beer aisle. If you guys want to get intoxicated. That's on your own risk. Yeah, this location prices are different from Bushwick. Just slightly different. Alright. This is a pretty big store, everyone. We're at the cashier's checkout. But with that said, everyone, it's been a tour. Wow, it goes up and down. It's like a maze. Yeah, it's a decent maze. Everything's colorful and laid out. Look. Pretty awesome, everyone. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support the channel, you know what to do. Join my Patreon. Oh. Ooh. Going right back to the Asian news. Oh, these are really good. Dude. Oh, this is like delicious. Alright, everyone. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. See you guys in the next video.